Well, at this point, just kill him. I think it's on. There we go. Just get it to play. What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Teggy Gamer here, and today it's I think it's a vlog, but not a vlog. I don't know. But I'm gonna show you guys the parts of the Teggy, the turbo, the piping, and everything. It is right here. I'll show you right now. Oh, here's all the piping for the Teggy. The intercooler, it's a tiny intercooler. There's more piping in that bag. Right now, this is the piping that I have right now. My brother has. There's more outside in the balcony. Like, I'll go get that later. The turbo, I don't know where it is. I'll probably have to look for it. I think the turbo outside. Let me check. So the turbo's in this bag right now. So the turbo's a Garrett, can hold up to 400 horsepower. Or even 450. I think it was 450. Last time I checked. But yeah, can hold up that much horsepower. We just ordered I forgot what it's called, oil feed line. I don't know.
What?
It's already here, I just don't know where it is. Where's she at? Who the fuck's she? Oh yeah. This is just an update video of the car, of what's the future plans. I'll let you, yeah. I'll do a video of the new end, yeah. Shut the fuck up. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Sorry it's short, it's just that I don't even know what I'm talking about right now. Just, I don't even know. So, subscribe if you want to keep up with the process of me and my brother fixing and installing the turbo on the Teggy. And, yeah, subscribe. Yeah. Peace out.